Guys, I wasn't recording. I was making an iced coffee. So I put brown sugar first. I had some in this cup. Then I put ice. Then I put this creamer. And then these. Where we at? PA. Where we at?
We in PA.
Doing what? Baby, doing what?
We about to go shopping. Then we're going on the Amish tour. After that, we're going to the Sight and Sound Theatres.
At 7 o'clock.
At 7.
It's lit. Baby, let me tell you something. If y'all never been to Sight and Sound Theater in PA, Lancaster, y'all need to go. Because we be seeing plays. It's packed in here or what? Isn't this one of them? Oh, that's for candles.
Hey, Kayla, where you at?
I'm in PA. I'm in Lancaster.
What you doing over here?
We came to see a play, and it's called Sight and Sound Theater. If you've never been there, you should try and check it out. You can look it up on YouTube.
And you have a big bug on you?
YouTube.
And you have a big bug on you?
He said, you want to be talking? Look it up on YouTube if you want, you know. They have a lot of plays, different ones, you know. I got some peach.
And you got the watermelon showing.
Oh, snap. I got some peach tea right here. Peach sweet tea. I don't like it that much, but baby, when I'm talking, you keep it right
the music over there?
Baby, when I'm talking, you keep it right here. But I don't like it that much, but it's decent. I might put my hair up. They keep staring at me. I don't know why.
Because you got the watermelons out. I don't even think my time. This one smells good. I have problems here.
Let me see. Look at this candle.
Like
$42. Oh, it smells like Dove soap.
A heart. Like I'll smell half of it.
They got options. Which one y'all want?
Maybe that's why they have this here. That's why they have that here. That was perfect timing.
Yeah, I was vlogging and one of them was on my hair.
Oh no. Oh, look at.
Look at him. He think he's real. Look at him. Spilling water out his mouth.
Hurry up, because these things tap me up and scream. Everybody's gonna move.
People don't look. That's the problem.
You know they have a Pandora too, right?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Not much back, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna be everything.
Okay.
$5. How much are the chickens?
20.
Buy 3, get 1 free.
Oh, look at these.
I did too. I just hated the food.
Thank you. No? Yeah.
They got bags. This bag is pretty. Look. Oh, look it. Oh. I thought that was an owl. Girls' day out. Y'all wanna go? What is it? Flip flops. Come. That's a cute bag.
Take another one.
I love this one. I just saw this the other day.
Take another one for mom.
Jelly?
This one right here. Thick ham and thick balsamic. Which
they have
one's more
different
popular?
I'm gonna try it with this. Whatever this is. This look like crackers.
Yeah, no, just the.
I'm scared.
Okay. Thank you. Is that thick?
Hold up.
Like it?
Yeah. Y'all want some?
Yeah, I'll try the thick.
Stop playing with me. That's what that says? Stop playing with me. Let's look for a Yazette. Let's see.
You're gonna find it.
Y'all gonna help me. Y'all gonna help me find a Y.
11 years later, people get.
Oh, it's on. That's the only shelf.
Yeah.
That's whack. Yeah, you see them? Look at the horses. We're going back to the hotel now, and then we're going to the play at 7. I didn't mention that, but I'm gonna record the whole thing. We're going to an ice cream shop now. Ice cream and something. I forgot. Oh, ice cream and cookies, I think. Or something like that. Oh, bakery and ice cream.
Get excited because it's bigger.
We're here, guys.
Yeah, it'd be cold in here.
Oh, shoot. Mom. Yep, let me know there. Wait, Grant. Is that me? You're fine with
Once I seen it started raining and that it was gonna rain at 3, I just put my sweater on.
Could you hold on?
She said we in section 201, I think. Something like that. guys.
I'm gonna get it.
It's loading. Stop playing.
You want to take a picture? Take a picture. You want to take a photo?
We out. 3 hours long. But it was good though. It was good. It was good.
Yeah, it was. You need to come and check it out.
Yes.